mouse poop in here. What's up, YouTube? So today we are trying to remove the sump, and in the process of it all, we don't have tools. That ain't no problem, cause we got. Yeah, just show. So today him right now he's busy going to fetch the tools that we need, obviously. But what we're gonna do is try to remove the sump, and maybe we'll get to see the condition of the car's heart. You know, like a little bit of fraction of it all. So yeah, please stay tuned.
13 or 15.
This exhaust system.
I'm taking it out now. Take this one first and turn it out from the top quickly.
Taking the radiator off now because there's not enough space. Get out the door and I can't.
Okay. Oh, the other side.
Oh, wait.
Well, there's a way that. Yeah. GM car.
Space.
Probably wasn't even keeping
I'm holding it from my end. I can't get it up by hand, use a screwdriver.
You got it, fam. Just a few twists and turns, you feel me? Oh, you got it, fam. Yeah, you actually did get it.
So now we can finish this one.
Oh, that's out.
This guy has been getting.
I only see it now, bro.
Just sleep up and sleeping.
Definitely going out.
You see how it only came out once the bearing cap is loose. That's telling me it's not going to look as good as we hope. Here's one problem.
Holy shit. Yo, that's a huge problem.
Okay, has a gasket on it at least. That fell from
Oh, it fell from these. Okay.
The gasket is a lot from there. That was all built in. Feel the small.
Even like, can you see the greens?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the greens, I feel them as well.
Yeah. You see it's uneven.
Yeah, it wasn't getting enough.
It's unevenly worn from there to there and there to there.
There's more way into here than there.
That darker part there.
Yeah.
And then on the back, we It's dry, that's the other problem. It's supposed to
water.
have oil in.
Yes, the water that got mixed inside the engine.
And then the bearing cap. You can also see all these little different marks. It's supposed to, the scratches aren't what your worry is about. It has to be consistent in color and wear. Because now it's worn
It's
uneven.
uneven. Oh, so what does that mean for the rest of the engine?
That means we're pulling the whole engine basically. Maybe, maybe not. But if I were you guys,
You had to pull it
I'll
out
put the whole
because
engine.
there was water
Do it
inside.
properly.
Exactly.
Do it properly. Are you guys happy with that plan, pulling the engine?
I'm more happy than anything actually.
Honestly.
Taking out the crank bearing now.
Or just to see.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but it's not
Food, bro.
good. About painful.
Yeah, you can see once again these marks in the middle indicating oil wasn't moving properly through here.
Which is why it's orange.
That's why it's getting hot.
So when it gets hot,
But
this
where's
one
that-
expands, right?
Orange color shows overheating. It's supposed to be white like that one of mine.
Like to buy myself one, yeah, but like
There was still water in here. We just took it out. Now, I'm gonna pour this on the grass. Ah, shit's so heavy. Was it like a plug?
Yeah, this is the plug. You're gonna have to pressure wash.
I'm fine.
Do not